Hey, good morning, guys. It's about 10 minutes till 8. I started right around 7 o'clock. So if you can look over here and see at 7 o'clock. Hold on. Hey, girlfriend. Hey, daughter Bill. All right, daughter Bill. Good girl. My dog came in here. So I didn't get this strategy number 6. It was a win, but I'll be honest with you, I would not have taken that because I would look down here where's the bottom, and you can see that that bottom is 6.6 pips, which means it didn't go 10. So number 6, I'm looking for. I play it to go 10 pips. It's a home run, right? If I look at that and I don't think I can get 10 pips, I won't take it. Now, that's not why I didn't take it this morning. I didn't take it this morning because it was already over, right? It was over by the time it got started. So you get your step 1, you get your step 2, it won. It did not go 10 pips. I didn't show up until it was in this move. As a matter of fact, I came in at like 5 minutes after. It was after I looked back and thought, oh, wow, that might have been a good one. But then I look over here, look down and left, up and right. That's the trick, right? So I'm looking down and left, boom. I'm looking up and right, boom. That is not my field. My field is this top to this top. So that means I'm playing right about halfway. I've got a 1.7 pip spread. There's no way, mathematically, scientifically, anyway, that I can get a step 1, 2, 3, and 4 before I get to these ends. So I know I don't have a strategy 6. That doesn't mean when you're training, when you get all 4 steps, John. And I keep saying John's name because the last John, which was right before this John, he just graduated in April. So actually, 1st of April, almost the end. So he was on his way out as John was on his way in. And John, I don't want to confuse you, but when you go through phase 1 strategy training, just like you've been doing on 1, 2, and 3, you're not going to be able to take this one either. It's not till you get to phase 2 to where I know that you can understand how to read the market that you will take those. So, did it get all 4 steps? Yes. Did it win? Yes. John would be 1-0. Most traders would be 0-0 and not have taken a trade yet because they didn't like the movement. So, again, everybody's mindset's different. I'm trying to keep an eye on my timer. Everybody's mindset different. So, I did not take that. Wasn't here. Wouldn't have taken it if I was here. I was here and I didn't take that either, right? So, step 1, up here, step 2, loser because it went 1.7 pips and you got a 1.6 or 7 pips. You couldn't have made a pip out of that. So you stay away from it unless you broke a rule, right? And then we'll talk about that later. If you jumped the gun and got in early, now you're trying to think subjectively, but you don't have the skill set yet for that. So then you get stopped out. That's major problem. About 80% of people struggle with that. So over here, I could have got a 3. I did not take a 3. I was talking to a potential new Trey, a potential new student, and I didn't take anything on the USDCHF. So I'll keep watching. You got a lot of news coming today. Pay close attention to the news and earnings. I'll see you soon. Peace.